Hello everyone, this is Inva03 and today I'm going to do the unboxing of my last backlog kit. This is the HG Universal Century MSN06S2 Sinanju Stein narrative version. This is one of the two units the Xeon stole from Federation. And one of the unit, as you know, if you have seen the Gundam Unicorn, was Sinanju, piloted by Full Frontal. This unit is its sister unit, as it is said here, S2. It was featured in Mobile Suit Gundam narrative, also known as the Gundam NT movie. This is quite a big box. If you can see it, let me show you. See? Almost half as big of my hand. If you have built the HGUC simple RX-782 Gundam, then the box was almost like this, almost up to here, half of the height. This is quite a big box, so means the kit is gonna be big too. Let's see on the side of the box here. All right, we get the two. Let me adjust the brightness here for you guys. All right, so what we have here is the Sinanju Stein. Of course, these bits are gonna be stickers. I was looking for a way to paint these details, but well, I couldn't find any good white paint. Anyway, it comes with a standard loadout of weapons, but it does have a surprise. As you can see, it's a big high beam rifle. It's the same as Sinanju rifle, but this white big piece part pieces made it more Federation. The bazooka is the same, the grenade launcher is the same, beam sabers yellow, and shields. It does not look like it comes with the BMAX parts, but it's fine. Here you can see there's quite a bit of articulation. We get one open hand part. Next is that we can build up the rifle with the mini bazooka or the grenade launcher. I think I'm going to use the grenade here. You can see the leg thrusters. They move about left and front and backward. So that's a nice detail. Beam sabers are stored in the arm right here. And there's I really like the backpack of this and the thrusters and the fuel tanks, really nice. It is the number 217 of the HGUC line. This is the item code. If you want yours, then go to bandai.net, search around. And here's something about the Sinanju. It was developed to test the durability and flow capabilities of the Psycho frame. Oh, by the way, the Sinanju Stein only has a cockpit around Psycho frame, not the full body Psycho frame like the Unicorn Gundam. Only 2 units were made, and both were stolen by the sleeves. Of course, Full Frontal was there to claim it. And here lastly is the same thing. This box art I really like it, really interesting. All right, come on, let's go ahead and open the box. All right, a lot of big, oh well, the first thing I noticed when I opened the box, yes, there is a BMAX part here. A lot of great white parts. I really like it. The shield is nice. The stickers are there with the sleeves marking. I will have to use these here. Again, it is a grayish white. This one doesn't have any markings or anything else. Let's see up to this part. Oh, this is another shade of gray. Looks hard plastic. This one looks flimsy. It is a dark brown, but we will fix it anyhow. Oh, this is a small packet here. I don't know what's in this. Oh, I see. I see what band I did there. So in this one, you have the engravings part. These are on in brown. No, these are all black, so you can paint them white at the engravings, but that's gonna be a help for me. So I'm just gonna use the stickers. Two yellow beam sabers, very long, longer than my own finger. So yeah, big kit like the origins I made earlier. And don't worry guys, I'm making this unmarked video, it's just a little too much. And this very dark, very dark navy blue, and another some of the gray blue. Oh my god, guys, look. I don't know if you can see it on the camera due to the brightness, but all these parts here, they are a little bit more darker than they should be, gray. So I think we are getting a good gunmetal plastic color. Oh, nice, good for us. The last tickets looks nice. The stickers don't see any color inaccuracies, although one thing I have to say, I haven't seen any red. As it says, it uses red, but I haven't seen any red thruster parts here. Is it red? No. Is this the red? I don't think so. Are any of these parts red except the red eye color that is used in the sticker? No. What the hell, Bandai? Well, I guess I'm gonna have to leave it since I don't have any good Tamiya colors. Alright then. Let's see what kind of Universal Century instruction booklet can get us. Oh, this is quite a big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, quite a big plastic, and only a few of the parts are not usable. But anyhow, this looks like the same Sinanju parts. All right. Looks like this is gonna be nice. Straightforward. The instructions look straightforward. Let's see the back side now. Okay. First two pages, of course, the weapon poses and all that. Second, we had the full body of Sinanju. See, I knew it, there was red in this, but they could have just made some red parts for this. It was not like it was very hard. They already had made the Sinanju parts from red, that diabolical red. Damn it. Looks like I'm gonna have to spray paint some. I don't want to spray paint these. I do have a red spray paint, but alright, the thrusters. Oh, damn it. These are those peg hole thrusters, meaning that they could be tight, they could be loose, and I will have to fix them with the super glue. Anyhow, everything else seems fine. There's not much things here. Well, I know what I will be doing this week. This and this unmarked video. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this little unboxing of mine. Man, there should be another version of this with more weapons. Anyway, if you are looking for the P Bandai stuff, well, there is a P Bandai that doesn't come with these engravings. It is flat. It is flat as anything you can get. It's the same kit, just the chest and the other engraving parts gone. So that's a nice touch. I really want a P Bandai kit. But don't worry, I will be making the Zen Market videos very soon. There's just a lot of parts I had to cut and paste. If you like these videos and you do appreciate my effort in making these and giving all kinds of information, please like, subscribe and share and do some comments, bro. I'm not asking for much. It's just an effort to put in a subscribe button.